The EXO Guard is an external condensing unit guard that's quick and easy to assemble. It has interlocking side and front panels and only needs 4 fixing screws, so you can put it together in minutes. The EXO Guard has 3 access points for pipework, one on the left, one on the right and one on the top. Optional extras include a condensate tray and, for extra security, locking side panels. And to make sure it reaches you in excellent condition, the EXO Guard comes in a robust timber case. The EXO Guard saves you time and money.